Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how can you set your own location on Google Maps. So at first just go to the Google Maps app. Make sure the app is updated. Now here you can see my own location here. If I just want to set my own location, then just click on the bottom fourth option here, contribute. After that, here you can see the second option here is add place, which is under your viewer profile. Click on it, add place. After clicking it, here you can see you need to give some place details. The first one is place name. Click on it and give the place name. I'm just giving it home. The second one is category. Select the category. Here you can see the second last option is residential. Click on it. Select the type of your building. I'm just selecting this one. After that you can give your address of your place here, or you can just click the right icon here in the address and it will select your place automatically. You can also select your place in map location. Under that, here you can see located within. Click on it and give the location. And here you can see add more details option. Click on it. You can add more details here. Here you can see in the bottom right here submit option. Click on it. Click on submit anyway. Here you can see the place is submitted. So guys, that's how you can set your own location on Google Maps. Hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.